Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of explainable AI, or XAI, and exploring how we can categorize XAI models to make AI understandable for everyone. Have you ever wondered how XAI organizes itself to break down those complex AI decisions? We're going to unpack 5 key ways XAI models are grouped by interpretability, how they explain, their scope, the data they use, and the type of explanation they offer. It's like sorting a massive puzzle. Let's piece it together. First, let's talk about XAI categorizations based on interpretability. This is all about how easy or tricky it is to peek inside an AI model. On one end, you've got glass or white box models. Think of these as crystal clear windows. You can see exactly how they work, step by step, because they're designed to be simple and transparent, like a straightforward rulebook. On the other end, there are black box models, mysterious, complex systems where the inner workings are hidden, even from the people who built them. They give you answers, but the house stays locked away. XAI helps shine a light on those black boxes, making them less intimidating. Next, let's dive into XAI categorizations based on the way to get an explanation. There are 2 main paths here. First, model-specific approaches, building interpretable models right from the start. These are like crafting an AI that's easy to understand from day one, with clear rules built into its design. Then, there's the model-agnostic or post-hoc approach. This tackles complex models after they're already built, driving explanations to make their decisions clear, even if they're super complicated under the hood. It's like adding a translator to a black box model to make it speak your language. Now, let's zoom in on XAI categorizations based on the scope of explanation. This is about how broad or narrow the explanation is. Local explanations focus on a single decision or prediction, like why an AI said, "This loan is rejected for you." They zoom in on that one moment, giving you the nitty-gritty details. Global explanations, on the other hand, look at the big picture, how the AI works across all its decisions, revealing the overall patterns and rules it follows. It's like seeing the forest for the trees versus just one tree up close. Next, we've got XAI categorizations based on data type. This is about the kind of information the AI is crunching. For text, XAI might explain why an AI flagged a news article as fake. Maybe it spotted certain words or phrases that tipped it off. For tabular data, like spreadsheets with numbers, XAI could show why an AI approved a loan based on income, credit scores, or other metrics. And for image data, like photos, XAI might highlight why an AI thought a husky was a wolf, perhaps because of the snowy background tricking it. Each data type needs its own XAI approach to make sense of the AI's reasoning. Finally, let's explore XAI categorizations based on explanation type. This is about how the explanation is delivered. Visual explanations use charts, graphs, or highlights, like showing which parts of an image the AI focused on, like the ice in a husky photo. Feature importance tells you which factors mattered most, like your age was the key reason for this health prediction. Data point explanations show specific examples the AI used, such as, I compared your data to these cases. And surrogate models create simpler stand-in versions of complex AI to explain its decisions. It's like having a toolkit of different XAI tools, each perfect for a different job. So why does all this matter? These categorizations are the secret sauce that makes XAI so powerful. Whether it's a glass box model you can see through, a post-hoc explanation for a black box, a local or global view, or explanations for text, tabular, or image data, XAI's got it covered. And with visual, feature, data, or surrogate explanations, you get the clarity you need to trust and work with AI. It's like XAI is the ultimate guide, transforming AI from a mystery into a trusted partner. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.